Welcome to SS Tutorials. In this video, we will talk about all type of chamfers available in SolidWorks. When you click on Features, there is an option available here, Fillets. When you click on down arrow, a option available here is Chamfer. Just click on it. In the left side of SolidWorks interface, you can see there are 5 types of chamfers available. We will check them one by one. To make you understand the chamfer feature, I have created a solid body here. So just click on down arrow in the fillet and click on chamfer. Select the first type, which is angle distance chamfer. In items to fillet, click one of the edge. Let's select this edge. As the name suggests, it is the angle distance chamfer. You have the liberty of changing the distance as well as angle. You can change the distance from 10 to 15 mm like this. Keep eyes on this arrow. It means this edge of the chamfer is pivoted and the angle can be increased or decreased by using this edge like this. If you think this is going in wrong way, you can change the direction by just clicking on flip direction like this. Now the arrow is pointing in the downward direction and you can change the angle by using this edge like this. Just click OK. This is the angle distance chamfer. The next chamfer is distance chamfer. Just click on it. In item to chamfer, just click on the edge. Let's select this edge. As the name suggests, this is the distance chamfer. It means you can increase or decrease the distance. When you click on asymmetric, you will have the liberty of changing the two distance. Click OK. The third chamfer type is vertex chamfer. In this chamfer, in items to chamfer, just click one of the vertex. Let's click this vertex. Now you have the options to select the distance. It is the distance of the 3 points of the chamfers from the selected vertex. Let this distance be 15 mm each. Or you may select the equal distance here like this. Click OK. This is vertex chamfer. The next chamfer type is offset face chamfer. In items to chamfer, click one of the edge. Just click this edge. Here also you can change the distance if it is selected asymmetric. When you select is symmetric, it will take the same distance from both the faces. Just click OK. The last chamfer type is face chamfer. In items to chamfer, just click on one of the face. In second box, click on the adjacent face like this. You can also set the distance here. Let's keep it 20 mm. Apart from cutting the sharp corner of the component, you can also add material to the component at the sharp corner. To make you understand, I have created one more solid body. We will try to add some material in that sharp corner. Just go to chamfers. Select one of the chamfer. Select this edge. Click OK. Now the chamfers can be used to add material at the shaft corner also. This will complete all the information about the SolidWorks chamfers. Thanks for watching.